Hello everybody, so today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about integration. So now I will show you how to answer. About sin x to the power of 7, we can put into sin x to the power of 6 multiplied by sin x. Next, we have cosine x squared plus sin x squared equals to number 1. This is about identity. So we put this one go to the right. And we got about 1 minus cosine x squared. Sin x to the power of 6 we can write into sin x squared to the power of number 3 because number 2 multiplied by number 3 you got about number 6. Sin x squared we change for this one. Next, we need to use about integration by substitution. So I will put about u equals to cosine x du. You got about negative sin x dx. We do first the derivative of this one and you got about negative sin x. Because we don't have the negative sign in here, so we put the negative next to du. So this one we change for u and you got about u squared. This one we change for u and you got about u to the power of 6. Sin x dx we change for negative du. Next, we need to expand this one. You will got like this. Next, u to the power of 6 multiplied by this one, this one, this one, and this one. And now we got the final answer. The integral of u to the power of 6, you got about u to the power of 7 over 7. Similar for the next one. You got about u to the power of 9 over 9. U to the power of 11 over 11. And the last one, 13. And we put about c, that's about the constant. About u, that's about cosine x. This is the end. Thank you for watching.